Hello and welcome, I'm Max Wolf and today we're at Wilson & Co Classic Car Restoration. So, let's go have a look what's going on. Yeah, mate. And so this is a newly opened up garage. I'll be putting some details on the screen now of location and the website, so check them out if you need any mechanical work. I'll put the exact details up on the screen. We've got to take a little trip of the workshop and see what's happening.
The moment everyone was waiting for. Me in this. Right, everyone. Let's give it time.
Yes. So we're going to draw, and you all won. No, you've all been fantastic. Thank you all so much for coming. It's been a brilliant day. It was way more than we could have anticipated, honestly. So thank you all. Give yourselves a round of applause just for that. Okay. Should we go first?
Yeah,
I've got all the pressures on me. Everyone's watching. Very frightening. Okay, so we've obviously got a few trophies to be had here. Me and Dan have deliberated over these and panicked because you're all so very, very nice. So basically, our director's choice goes to car number 9, which is the Chevy truck just on the end over there. So please, whoever has that, come forward and claim your director's choice. Fantastic stuff. Thank you so much. Thank you very much. Good stuff. It's a beautiful car you've got. Thank you.
Let's see what I got.
I'm not said in court, no comment.
Thank you. Fantastic.
Whatever.
Which one is it?
Best in show modern for number 20 is the Porsche outside.
Best in show modern. Next up is our best in show modified, and that goes to car number 22, the Dodge with the green eyes. There you go. Go on, take a smile and everyone take a photograph, make them feel really insecure. Oh, thank you. Go on.
Right. Oh, I know what it is.
You know what it
So
is.
that's
Go on, then.
People's Choice car. We managed to count all the votes, and they're quite happy to give this to this mate here.
So Max wants video with his twin. Congratulations, we all voted for you.
Max, look back.
Max, turn around, smile.
Inside.
Oh, I'm videoing it, by the
For
way.
our best in-show classic goes to car number 19, the lovely Wolseley outside. Brilliant. So that concludes the prize giving, but please feel free to stay around, eat more cake and sandwiches, because otherwise I'll have to do that. Oh no. Oh no.
Thank you.